So friends, in today's practical session, we are giving you a contest. Yes friend, we are giving you a portfolio contest. Let's see who is the winner of this contest. First of all, we must understand what is paper trading. So a paper trade is a simulated trade that allows an investor to practice buying and selling without risking real money. So you can practice with real rates, with real stock market prices. You can assume that if I would have invested in this share, then how much return could I earn? This is known as paper trading. Paper trading is also sometimes called virtual trading. Portfolio management is an art and science of making decisions about investment mix and policy, matching investments to objectives, asset allocation for individuals and institutions, and balancing risk against performance. So portfolio management, you are studying chapter portfolio management in your class. So unless and until you practice it practically, will not be able to understand this chapter conceptually, extensively, and definitely if you are wanting to make a career in portfolio management line, you must start with this, which I am telling you, which I am giving you as a contest. Portfolio management is all about determining strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats in the choice of debts versus equity, domestic versus international, growth versus safety, and many other trade-offs encountered in the attempt to maximize return at a given appetite for risk. So you can also invest in international market. You can also invest in debentures, equities. There are a lot of avenues, lots of investment avenues around you where you can invest your money. And always remember, Warren Buffett used to say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Yes friend, you should diversify your portfolio. You can see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He is a chartered accountant. He created a wealth of around 20,000 crore from 5,000 rupees. So what do you think? He has invested all his money in one stock, in one share? No, he made a portfolio of stocks. He invested in properties, he invested in gold, he invested in equity shares, he invested in bonds. So if you are able to make a good portfolio, definitely you will be able to minimize your risk and maximize your return. You can see the stock holding of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. We will have a separate discussion on these portfolio holding. Again, Warren Buffett, who is considered to be world's #1 investor, he earns 248 crore per day approximately. Is he earning from one stock? No, he had invested in various stocks. Again, we will study Warren Buffett's portfolio in detail in our forthcoming discussions. Fine, sir. No problem at all. So what is the assignment which I am giving you right now? You need to make a portfolio. I am giving you 1 crore rupees. Yes friend, virtually, not in real but in paper, orally. So you think that I have 1 crore rupees. All must think that. Are you thinking it? Yes. So you are feeling good? That's nice. You must be feeling good. So you have 1 crore rupees now with you. So what you will do with 1 crore rupees? Please let me know. If you are given rupees 1 crore, what you will do? And I am giving you this 1 crore rupees for making a portfolio virtually, paper trading. Fine? No problem. So everybody is now crorepati and everybody will have 1 crore rupees. Now you have to invest this 1 crore rupees in stock market virtually, notionally, and as per paper trading, and then let me know who is getting the highest return by investing this 1 crore rupees virtually. If you can make money from this investment, then definitely it can be assumed that you can make money in your real life also. So the real practice starts from here. The portfolio management practice starts from here. Fine, sir. First condition will be, this must be only delivery based investment. You must invest in delivery shares. It means that you will hold, you will not sell, you will buy and hold, you will buy and hold. Fine, sir. These are old screenshot just to let you know that you need to invest in delivery based shares. We have various stock exchange. NSE and BSE are two main stock exchange. I am telling you to invest in NSE listed companies so that there will be uniformity among all of us, all the participants who are participating in this contest. BSE and NSE price are almost same, they are different marginally, but still I will request you to choose NSE listed companies. This is the condition number 2 of 1 crore which you are going to invest. Condition number 3, invest in one day. You must use this money in one day only. You can take the rates of Saturday, Sunday also if you are busy in your daily work, but you have to invest all this money in one day. Make a portfolio of at least 25 stocks. Means you should not invest all your money, that is 1 crore rupees, in one stock. You will have to make a portfolio of stock. At least 25 stock must be there. At least it should be equity share only. No investment in gold, no investment in property, no investment in any other avenues. Only in equity I am telling you to invest, and at least there should be 25 stock. Fine, sir. So there is an app called moneycontrol.com. That app is fit for making a portfolio. You can make a portfolio going and log on to moneycontrol.com, and there is a portfolio section. You can log in, register there and make your own portfolio so that you do not need to check again and again your portfolio value. Always remember, do not put all your money in one company or one sector. It should not be that you have invested in 25 stocks and all the 25 stocks is of banking sector. Then it will not be called a good portfolio. You must diversify in different sectors also, like some money in telecom sector, some money in banking sector, some money in real estate, some money in retail, some money in pharma sector, some money in FMCG, some money in cement company sector. Variety of companies, variety of sectors you should invest. This will minimize your risk. I have proved you in my class that due to portfolio, risk is minimum. Now you have to see it practically happening. Fine, sir. So all these conditions, by all these conditions, now you are very much ready to invest. When you make your portfolio in Excel form, you must mail your portfolio in learn2earnbatch@gmail.com. You should mail me at the time when you have invested, and you should again mail me at the end of 1 month period, so that I can judge your performance in 1 month basis at the start, and again mail us at the end of the month period time to let me know the return, and also calculate your return also. Sir, I am getting this much return, this much percentage return, and the highest return gainer of the month, I will be very much excited to meet you in a Zoom meeting so that everybody knows about your performance, and also you can share your experiences while making the portfolio, and definitely others will also be motivated by your success. So every month I will have a Zoom meeting with the winner. This is the format of Excel which you will have to make: serial number, name of the company, MPS, number of equity share, amount. You can also add one column, that is sector, which sector you invested, whether it is a banking sector or it is a pharma sector. You can also add one thing more in this format, sector. Fine, sir. And mail me this in the start when you have invested, and at the end of the month please check your return and again mail me that, sir, I am getting this much return from the portfolio which we made in the class with the help of rupees 1 crore rupees. All the best, friend. I think that it will be really very exciting, and remember, this is just a game, so take it as a sportsman spirit and please participate in the game. Many students think that what is the use of all these things? You are going to a sector, you are going to choose a career which will give you 1 crore rupees package, salary package. Yes, friend, many of my students are getting crore plus package in finance. So if you are gaining so much, you have to sacrifice. No sacrifice, no gain. No pain, no gain. You have to participate in all these activities. You must be practically strong. If you are able to invest 1 crore rupees successfully, the day is not far when you will be investing 1000 plus crore portfolio. Yes, friend, mutual fund manager are mainly chartered accountants and CMA qualified professionals, and they also started from this activity, from this game, from this contest. If you are winner of this contest, definitely you have a long way to go. Fine, sir. Thank you so much, friends, for giving your valuable time, and I am very excited to know what kind of portfolio you are making and what return you are getting at the end of the month. Whenever you are seeing this video, you must make your portfolio as soon as possible and then again mail me at the end of the month, and we will select on random basis the winner of every month, and we will definitely have a Zoom meeting with all such candidates. Wish you all the best.
Making your portfolio on the Money Control app. To make your portfolio on the app, here's all you need to do. If you're a new user, first you need to create an account. Once you have your account, sign in and select the My Portfolio option from the drop-down menu. Click on the plus sign to add stocks, mutual funds, loans, etc. You can add information on all the stocks that you own or have purchased in your portfolio. On doing this, Money Control will provide a daily analysis of your stocks. You can get information on daily loss or profit, total loss or profit, dividend, and interest data. It will also give you information about the fluctuations in your stocks with respect to that in the market. You can also create more than one portfolio using the same account.
I have to think about how to invest my savings. Interest rates are very low. I have been told about a great equity fund. It promises an attractive return. I'm going to invest all my savings in it.
Are you crazy? You can't invest in just one fund. It is too risky. You can't put all your eggs in one basket.
What do you mean?
You should not concentrate all your resources in one area. You should not put all your eggs in one basket. If something goes wrong, you will lose everything. You have to spread your investments.
You are probably right. I should make different types of investments. In this way, I can spread the risk. Thank you for warning me.
You owe me a coffee.
Okay. Let's go.